We are. December 11th, 2010, just after 10:45, Bondurant High School, Iowa. You can barely breathe out here. Wind gusts over 50 miles an hour.